Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, we are getting ready to pull the alternator out of this car, and to do that I need to remove the battery, so I thought I might as well do a video to show you all kind of the way to remove this battery. Now normally there's a cover over this. I do have my battery disconnected right now, so the first thing you're going to do is get an 8mm and undo your negative battery cable. Then you're going to take an 8mm and undo your positive battery cable. You need to be careful, make sure that you don't ground anything out, and that should pop that loose. Then you're going to come down, but the first thing you can do before you can even take this battery out of here is you got to remove this. There's a crossbar that goes across here up underneath this that I had my son take out at another time when we were messing with the battery and trying to figure this out, and I forgot I didn't have him put that back in. But so just so you know, there's a couple 10mm here, and I can't remember if it's a 13 or a 15mm up here that pops that off. Then you got your jug here for your windshield washer fluid, and right down beside that you're going to take a couple long extensions, a 1/2 inch socket and a wobbly socket, and get on there. There's a 1/2 inch bolt sticking in a little black block down here. Get that on there, and this one's pretty tight. I think it's rusty. Careful, because for some reason this bolt gets stuck to this pretty bad. I don't know if I got the wrong size. It might be a 13mm, and that's a little bit tight there. Anyway, there's that. Reach down here. We'll go this way. Hopefully you can see all this. And there's a block that holds your battery tight against a lip down there. I'll show you that after. Alright, then make sure all your wires are out of the way. And then normally I wouldn't suggest grabbing by these, but in this case you're going to bring this up sideways like this. And that removes your battery. So there's where you put your water in for windshield wiper fluid. There's your battery tray. And as you can see right here, the lip of your battery goes up underneath that, and then that block screws into the hole there, and it holds it into that lip right here. So there you go. Now you know. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.